the street is that I heard that you wanted to know a quick makeup routine. Not only do I have a quick makeup routine, but I have a 5, 7, and a 15 makeup routine that could change your life, especially if you're going to work, girl. Especially if you're trying to rush out the door to go wherever you need to go. This will help you. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video. My name is Princess the Blue Queen. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get straight into these quick makeup routines. Let's start with the 5-minute routine right now. Off camera, I did a little bit of my eyebrows, but I didn't do it right or whatever. For concealer, I am using NARS right here, and this is NARS 2. So this is NARS, and this is NARS. I don't buy these anymore. I just like to take this out, use the little brush or whatever, and then I put it underneath my eye, like so. I don't know why I'm looking at this mirror, but I got several mirrors around me. It's crazy. With the 5-minute routine, you want to concentrate on the concealer. Don't mind my face expression. I know I don't know why I make that face, but I do. Also, we want to put a little bit concealer on the imperfections. So we're just gonna leave the concealer on there, just let it sit. That's how you get the best results. While we're letting the concealer sit, then we're gonna concentrate on the eyebrow. My eyebrows take a whole 5 minutes, like real talk. But if you're trying to get out the door, you just basically need to just line them up real quickly. Just line the bottom eyebrow up. But I do not do eyebrows like this. I actually use a mirror and so I can zoom in on my eyebrows, because eyebrows make the look. You know what? The thing about it, when I'm doing a full face, I literally come back to my eyebrows at the end, because I just don't be completely satisfied. I've let the concealer sit. We are rushing out the door. We only got 5 minutes. Do some spray on your little sponge here and just pat. Let me use another sponge here. It's actually coming out pretty good. You know, makeup is all about blending. That's all it is. It's not about how expensive the product is. It's all about blending. This is something extra. I normally don't do this, but if you want to throw a little bit of mascara on, mascara literally takes a minute. You make sure you wiggle it on there. Lastly is some lip gloss. You're gonna put it on there thick. So you don't want to put it on there that thick. Juicy. This is the look. This is the 5-minute look. I'm still not happy about my eyebrows, but see, we rushing out the door. A 5-minute routine means you're rushing out the door, so you're not gonna get everything perfected. Next is the 7-minute routine. Now, the 7-minute routine includes just adding lashes, and pretty much, because I think lashes take me about 2 minutes. So that's why I added 2 more minutes to the 7-minute routine, just with lashes. So I'm not going to add lashes until the next step, because I don't like eyeshadow on, you know, spilled on top of my lashes. Add some foundation. We have covered our imperfections, and at this point we're just adding foundation. Also, when we're doing our makeup, we are doing it kind of fast, because 15 minutes, boy, 15 minutes feel like 5 minutes. I swear it does. Especially when you're going to work, like you're just trying to get ready. 15 minutes is not that long. So we're just trying to do what we can do in 15 minutes. Foundation is done. We'll use this. We want some hot pink. No, we don't want hot pink, okay? Okay, that's the only time I like pink is when it's on top of like when it's on top of my eyelid. I'm gonna use this pink right here. You can clearly see that's the main thing that I use on this palette. I just thought about it. I should have put some concealer on my eyelid, but like I said, we're trying to get up out the door. You see how it looks crazy right now? You just want to blend, blend, blend. And this may take 2 minutes, depending on how much eyeshadow you put on your eyes. Next, what I like to do, I like to use a liquid eyeliner on the top and, well, no, actually just on the top. Let me not get to lying now. Just a little bit. Okay, I am not the best when it comes to eyeliner, but I only did it because of my lashes. Next will be the lashes. I'm using the Duo glue. Basically just put a strip of glue on top of my lashes. The liquid liner on my top lid here was to help the lashes blend in. You will have no problems with that glue. Every time when I'm putting on lashes, I cut at least a good, I don't know how to measure it, but I don't never measure it. I just cut a little bit off the end and then I bend it. I just bend it just a little bit. Just give it a little bend. Get my tweezers here. And I just put them on like so, like this. I'm working on the second lash. Do I got it on there? This is not really a part of the 15-minute routine, but I just do this just because I really like it. So we're just gonna do a black liner underneath my eye. Don't mind my facial expression, boy. Do you see the before and the after? Like, it's just night and day. I just love black eyeliner underneath my eye. I really do. We're almost done. Next thing we're going to add is some blush. Adding blush add a little bit of color to your face. Make sure you smile. Add a little bit of banana powder underneath my eye. In this routine, I did not put concealer at the top of my forehead. Also, I did not contour my face. So those are just a couple of things that I am leaving out. Then for 15-minute routine will be the lip gloss. I mean, I already had lip gloss on, but just want to juice up them lips. Oh, I need all I can get. What do you think about the final look? I am loving the final look. I am looking gorgeous, fabulous. I look beautiful. I look like a queen, okay? I am sitting on my throne having a fabulous time. For me to do this in 15 minutes, this looks great. Let me know down below, what would you do differently? I'm here to take some notes or whatever, or let me know, did you like the video or not? Once again, thank you so much for clicking onto this video. My name is Princess the Blue Queen, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.